Hi and welcome. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on making the wise decision joining this course. You won't regret it. Take a seat, sit back, make sure you turn off Facebook or anything that is going to distract you. Now, the first step is market research. This step is very important. Before you go out there and rank any website, you have to first make sure if what you are ranking is really valuable and is going to bring you a very good end result, such as getting first of traffic and even making money from it. You don't want to rank a website that gets no good results. Before you can start any SEO campaign, first you need a niche. A niche is same as a topic. This could be about anything from dating to health and fitness, business and so much more. Now I always get this question from newbies, how can they find a good topic? My answer is always to start with something you're already interested in. The reason for that is it makes it easy for you to write about it and do more research about it. After finishing this course, you will be able to dive into any niche market and rank websites like a pro. The first site I always use is clickbank.com. Just in case you don't know what ClickBank is the largest digital marketplace on the internet. So just go to www.clickbank.com and then go to affiliate marketplace. So just in case you don't have any topic to write about or any topic to start with, well, here you can see there are many categories right here. So you can just go through and then look for anything that interests you. So you can start from art and entertainment all the way down to travel. Now, the cool thing that I always do here is I always make sure I check the ads running on this website. So here you can see there are ads right here that are running. So it means those people that are running this ad, it means they are already selling out. So here the first one, it says top new get X back offer, and the website says how to get X back. And then another one says huge opportunity surveys. Another one also says real writing jobs. All right. So here I would like to check how to get X back. So since it's running right now, it means there is something going on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to do a little bit of research about it. So I'll go to amazon.com and I'll just type how to get X back. So here you can see there are a lot of products right here, which means this is a very good topic. So what I'll do is I'll go back to ClickBank Marketplace and then I'll just go to self-help and then I'll just go to dating guides, since this is about dating stuff. So here, even here, you can see there are a lot and lots of products right here. So you can just look at the topics and you can just do research about it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research.